Hi, this is Kathleen Baber with Apricot Tree Planning. I can't speak today, sorry. But I wanted to show you guys a speedy quick plan with me. I don't usually white out the lines, but all the washi tape I was using was really light colored. So I went ahead and did that and went crazy with St. Patrick's Day washi tape because I have a habit of collecting a lot of washi tape. But this is a really fast one because, for one thing, I only used a 2-page kit. It just has the full boxes and a bunch of labels. And that's available in my shop for the Erin Condren and the Happy Planner kits. And I think it's a really great way to get a big impact without having a ton of leftovers. So there you saw me going through one of the Mambi books. It was the spring Mambi book, and I just wanted to decorate a couple little boxes there for St. Patrick's Day and for my mother-in-law's birthday. Anyway, I think this turned out to be a really cute spread, and I hope you guys like it too. The name of the kit is Irish Blessings, and it's in the shop and available for Happy Planner Erin Condren. Erin Condren planners. I also have a mini TN kit that works great in the mini Happy Planners too, and TNs, it makes all the little full boxes square instead of being a rectangle. And then I also have for leafy treetop planners a horizontal and vertical kits for those planners. So hope you guys had a happy St. Patrick's Day. Take care. Thanks for watching.